Fossils are the story of us and of all life on this planet. Fossils allow us to take a look back into our history, 100,000, 500 million, even a billion years ago, and piece together what life looked like, how organisms have changed over time, both in size, shape, and function. Fossils are very rare. Only a tiny fraction of the countless organisms that have lived and died on our planet over the last 3.5 billion years actually become fossils. Avalanches, mudslides, and other geologic events are the most common ways fossils are created. Although less frequent, organisms can also be preserved in amber, ice, or tar. When we think about fossils, we usually think about the big exciting finds, the dinosaurs and saber-toothed cats long vanished from our planet. But since Earth has almost always been a very watery planet, it's much more common to find and study fossils of small, hard-shelled aquatic creatures. Hard parts, like bones, teeth, and shells, make the best fossils. Soft parts, like muscle and tissue, tend to rot away and decay over time. Being a paleontologist is a lot like being a detective. You look for clues, and you try to piece together what happened in the past based on your evidence. Sedimentary rocks, which are the best for preserving fossils, are formed when tiny particles like sand, silt, mud, or clay get glued together by immense pressure. As each individual layer of sediment is laid down, organisms can become trapped and may become fossilized. Species identification of fossils can be extremely challenging. Many times, only a small portion of the original organism is left. By referencing museum specimens, guidebooks, and talking to experts, you can determine the species found on your dig. Finding out how old your fossil is gets a little trickier, since the most common method requires testing a radioactive isotope of carbon, called carbon dating. Unearthing fossils that may have been buried for thousands, even millions of years is a lot of work, and paleontologists all over the world are looking for citizen volunteers to help out and unearth some of our ancient past. For Wiley Publishing, I'm Mary Poffenroth. Keep on wondering.